Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Santa Claus cap applique. Let's see how to crochet this Santa Claus cap. First we will make that white border. Make a slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, make 30 chain crochet stitches. See, here we are done with a 30 chain crochet stitches. Now after that, skip 3 stitches after the current loop on the needle. See, just skip 3 stitches, and from 4th stitch till 26th stitch make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. From 4th stitch to 26th stitch you have to make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Skip starting 3 stitches and ending 3 stitches. And just make those double crochet stitches using only 1 loop of each stitch. Make double crochet stitches using only 1 loop of each stitch. Now see, here we are done with 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch starting from 4th stitch to 26th stitch. Then skip 3 stitches, that is 27, 28 and 29, and join last double crochet stitch with last chain crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Now for last round, make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch. See, we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch all around. I'll just complete this and show you. Here we are done with that white border of that cap. So our white border is ready. White circle for top of the cap.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
For last round, make 1 slip stitch with each single stitch all around. Just go on making 1 slip stitch with each single stitch all around, and done. I'll just complete this and show you. Now see that white circle on the top of the cap is ready. Now we work on red triangular part of the cap. Make a chain of 21 chain crochet stitches. See here we have made a chain of 21 chain crochet stitches, and once 21 chain crochet stitches are done, starting from first stitch itself, start making one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only one loop of each stitch. Make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only one loop of each stitch. Done till the last stitch. Now we just make a one chain crochet stitch. See, this is the last half double crochet stitch. Done with last half double crochet stitch, just make a chain crochet stitch and turn your crochet work. Okay, now our pattern starts. Now this pattern you are going to follow till you are left with only 4 stitches. For each new row we will skip first stitch and second last stitch. Okay, for each new row we will skip first stitch and second last stitch, and we rest all stitches we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. But remember, for each new row you have to skip first stitch and second last stitch and make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. When you are at the back of that side of that triangle, use front loop to make a half double crochet stitch of each stitch, and when you are in the front side of the triangle, use back loop of each stitch for uh, making one half double crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, and when we reach to the end of the line, just make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. So pattern is skip first stitch and second last stitch of each row and make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. If you are in front of the triangular part, use back loop of each stitch to make a half double crochet stitch. If you are at the back of the triangular part, use front loop of each stitch using to make half double crochet stitch. And when when you come to the end of the line, make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. So this you are going to follow till you are left with only 4 stitches. I'll just complete this and show you. See, now we are left with 4 stitches. Now we make 10 chain crochet stitches. 10. Then we skip starting 3 stitches, and from 4th stitch we start making from 4th to 9th stitch. From 4th to 9th stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. Okay, from 4th to 9th stitch we are making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only 1 loop of each stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. You have to do only till 9th. Once we are done with till 9th stitch, in 10th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. In 10th stitch we will make 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. And once we are done with those 5 double crochet stitches, we will join a 5th stitch with the last stitch with a slip stitch. Okay, and after that our last round comes where we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around using outer loop of each stitch. Okay, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch using outer loop of each stitch. All around we are going to do same. Now this is how our 3 parts are ready. So crochet Santa Claus cap applique. So this is how a Santa Claus applique look like. You can use it for Christmas tree decoration. You can use it for Christmas decorations for at home. And along with that, you can use it for like reindeer cap applique and like for Santa Claus applique, and many things are there. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As you have seen, complete tutorial was with written notes. So I hope so you didn't have any kind of confusion. And like I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Many applique videos are already there on my YouTube channel. For example, bunny applique is there, Mickey Mouse applique is there, this reindeer applique is there. Plus, and many more appliques are there. And plus, I'm coming up with new ones. And I have given tutorial for like every single part of those applique. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And if you check my channel, you will get, like if you are starting with crochet, so you will get starting crochet tutorials also. So please don't forget to subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel and like, comment and share. Please. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.